Magandang araw mga ka-Rails. Ito na naman. Tayo'y maghahandog ng isang awitin para sa ating lahat to guys. Sa lahat ng mga OFW at saka sa lahat ng mga Pilipino saan ka mang sulok sa mundo. Ito ay para sa ating lahat. Sana guys, suportahan ninyo. Okay. Jamie, say you wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you will say, saving all my kisses just for you. Signed with love forever true. Johnny was the girl who lived next door. He known her, I guess, 10 years or more. Johnny wrote me a note one day, and this is what she had to say. Jamie, please say you wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you will say, saving all my kisses just for you. Signed with love forever true. Slowly I read her note once more. Then I went over to the house next door. Her teardrops feel like rain that day, when I told Johnny what I had to say. Nay, June, nay, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. You're just 15, I am 22. And Johnny, I just can't wait for you. So I left a little hometown, got me a job and tried to settle down. But these words kept haunting my memory, the words that Johnny said to me. Jamie, say you wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll say, saving all my kisses just for you. Signed with love forever true. I packed my clothes and I caught a plane. I had to say, Johnny, I had to explain how my heart was filled with her memory, and asked my Johnny if she'd marry me. I ran all the way to the house next door, but things weren't like they were before. My teardrops fell like rain that day, when I heard what Johnny had to say. Jamie, Jamie, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. It's been 5 years since you've been gone. Jamie, I married your best friend John. Salamat mga idol, mga kalag. Gandang araw sa ating lahat. Sana kayo'y nasa mabuting kalagayan at kalusugan.